Hello guys, it's Mickey. Welcome to my channel. And if you're just into my channel, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you can be notified each time there's an upload coming from me. Well, but before I continue with what I want to say, I have to really apologize for the lights. It's really dim. We've not had light since yesterday, so it's dim. Even the weather is dull because it rained all through yesterday in Lagos. Okay, that's by the way. Well, today I'm going to be talking about the difference between Beeswax Lotion and E-Wax. That's emulsifying wax. So people who probably do not know it as E-Wax, it's called emulsifying wax lotion. The difference between the both of them, in case you're probably having a problem, what does she mean by E-Wax? Well, now you know. Most people get to have difficulties making different lotion, like making a lotion with beeswax and also with E-Wax. And they've always asked popular question, should I say popular question that's been asked, like, what's the difference between the two? Is beeswax better than E-Wax, or is E-Wax better than beeswax? Well, they are both good lotions that can be used on the skin. They are really good, and they are meant for organic people who actually love organic, who love using organic based lotion. Well, this is good for you. But there are actually differences between the both of them, and that's what we're going to be talking about today. Well, first of all, as I said earlier, they're really good lotions. And again, something you probably do not know, or something you already know, is that they can also be made the same way. Yes, the same way, as in, what I mean is, you noticed in my other video when I talked about whitening organic body butter, how to make whitening organic body butter, making use of body butter, E-Wax or something like that. You want to make your lotion. Well, now you want to make E-Wax lotion. What you do is, I'm going to display it on the screen also so you guys get to see it, so you get to understand it. For people who probably didn't watch my old videos, you get to watch it today again, get to understand what I'm talking about. You get your E-Wax. Any amount of E-Wax, just the E-Wax, because they were talking about E-Wax, so we need to focus on the E-Wax. Let's say you get 2 tablespoons of E-Wax, and you put it in an empty bowl. Using your double boiler method, you probably want to use a carrier oil to help give it a boost, so the body gets to look soothing. And apart from that, carrier oils are also very good on the skin, and mostly they are really good when you actually apply them at the same time to melt your wax. But at the same time, you can still not use carrier oils. It's not necessary for you to use carrier oils to melt your waxes. So if we are making use of carrier oils or not, it's still the same thing. It will still get melted using a double boiler method. For people who are just joining my channel right now, for double boiler method, if you do not know about double boiler method, right now I'm going to explain double boiler method again. You get an empty pot, then you put your empty container, the container I talked about. You put your container into the pot, but then again, the pot will have actually been filled with water. So you're putting the bowl inside the water, but not completely inside, like on top of the water. Exactly, that's what I mean. So you guys get to understand it. And your wax are actually inside. The 2 tablespoons of the wax I talked about is inside the bowl. So you leave it for a while, then you see it's completely melted. The same procedure goes for beeswax. That's the same procedure you're going to use for your beeswax lotion as well. But there's something you guys probably do not know. They are both made the same way. Yeah, you can use that as well for your E-Wax. You can also add stearic acid. It's needed because stearic acid actually tends to give it a boost, gives it body. But for E-Wax, there's no need for you to add it because it tends to solidify itself. There's no need for you to add stearic acid when making a beeswax lotion. Sorry. But again, there's a difference with the color. Beeswax is yellowish. Did I say yellowish or brownish? It's just yellowish. It has a yellowish color, while E-Wax is whitish in color. I already said they were good lotions, okay? But right now, apart from the fact that they're good lotions, and you guys were like, I've actually made use of beeswax, and it's just stupid. There's separation and stuff like that. That's where I'm coming to. Well, for the separations, when using beeswax, you cannot use water when making a beeswax lotion. You would never do that. Right now, I gave you the procedure of how to make E-Wax lotion and also beeswax lotion. They can be made the same way, but then again, the ingredient added into it totally differ. When making use of beeswax lotion, or when you're actually making a beeswax lotion, it's advised, please do not add water into your beeswax lotion. You do not need to add water into it, else you probably just waste your money and make another lotion again. And again, if you add water again, you keep making the lotion over and over again, and it becomes gunky. Gunky, like, should I say gunky? Sticky. Apart from being sticky, it won't be in one place. You see the separation of water and oil. You know when they say give the phrase like, do not mix oil and water. Exactly. That's actually the version found in a beeswax lotion. It's going to be separated. And again, if you try applying it on your hand, you see your hand, it becomes sticky, like gunky. I don't know the right phrase to use, but it will just not be good. Now let's move over to e-wax. That's emulsifying wax. I'm not saying emulsifying wax is better than beeswax. No, beeswax is actually also good, because most of you will now rephrase it that, thank God, I now know that e-wax is better than beeswax. No, they are also good lotions. They are both good lotions, but the ingredient added into it is totally different. It's just like adding an ingredient for someone who has a bleached skin, who has probably undergone a bleached skin and has different skin discoloration, and giving the person a harsh cream that would whiten another person. You're going to damage that skin completely. That's exactly what we're talking about. For beeswax, I'm going to say it again. What is needed is for you to add just oils. You can get carrier oils, get your essential oils, get lovely, beautiful oils that would help shine and shimmer your body. It's really good. Most times people actually use beeswax for their lip balm. It's really good. I must tell you, it's a really good wax, but not for body lotion. If you're going to be adding water into the body lotion, don't go close. That's what I'm going to tell you. Now for e-wax, it's beautiful because when you add water and oil into it, it forms really fine. But then again, you need like a good amount of e-wax to help give you that boost. That's why most times people tend to add stearic acid into it to help give it a body. Not that it's actually going to be separated, the oil or the water won't be separated. It would never be separated. It will be good, but you just need it to be thick. That's why you need a lotion. You need it thick. And the good part of it is, if you've made a lotion with your e-wax, your waxes, I mean your emulsifying wax, if you've made a lotion out of it and it's very thick, you can always get it out again, like maybe add a little bit of rose water to help make it loose. It won't lose its value. It will still be the same, giving it body, giving it shine on your skin. But don't get me wrong, I'm still going to say it again, they are both good lotion. Again, how the both of them tend to differ is their level of emulsion. Like when put in the heat, you know, I gave you the method of how to make e-wax, as well as the same method can be used to make beeswax. But there's a difference. You know, when you're putting e-wax in the heat, if you're using microwave or your double boiler method, you notice e-wax tends to absorb the heat well. Apart from absorbing the heat, it actually tends to, should I say, it has a body or emotion to withstand the heat. But that's not the same for beeswax, because beeswax tends to lose some of its emotion value. It loses it. So when you use the heat with beeswax and then you're adding water into it, honey, it's like adding fuel into fire. It will just worsen the case completely. But don't get me wrong, I keep repeating it continuously. They are really good lotions, really, really good when used for different purposes. Now you want to make a body lotion and you're like, I want to add some whitening, some watery substances into my lotion. Honey, I would advise you use emulsifying wax. That's e-wax. So that's for you not to waste your money trying to make another lotion again. Now for people who probably just want to go organic and I want to use the oil to make my body shine, just go for the beeswax. All good. It's really good. And for people who actually want to use a lip balm, beeswax is also very good to make a lip balm. Not that e-wax cannot also make a lip balm. You can make a lip balm out of e-wax, but beeswax is actually very good. If you're not adding any water solution into it, it's really good for a lip balm. Really, really. I hope you guys enjoyed my video today. Because if you did, please like, share my video, and please subscribe to my channel. I want you guys to actually subscribe. I need more subscribers, and I love you guys to bits.